Hi, I'm Davey, and I like to design, build, and customize stuff. So, I need a birthday present for a friend. She's a musician and streamer, and I thought I'd do something personal with her logo. I recently made this lamp for another friend, and I thought if I made this logo into a lamp, it would look awesome as a stream backdrop. Yeah, let's do this.
The first thing I did was import the logo into Fusion 360, where I added some offset and extruded them out into walls for the LED strips to be mounted. Then I added some recesses to flush mount the white cover panels, which are printed out of white PLA and should diffuse the LEDs nicely. I split the model in half and imported it into a Prusa slicer, then rotated it a bit to print as big as possible on my Wanhao i3. I'd usually print a model like this in PLA, but I had some old ABS laying around, so that's what I used. For the hanger, I reused the old model I created for the other lamp and just stretched it out a bit. Then I glued it onto some scrap 5mm birch plywood. I tried using the hanger itself as a guide for the jigsaw, which in hindsight wasn't a good idea because the blade kept wandering, but I think it turned out okay. The diffuser plates printed great and snapped right into place. Now with all the parts printed, I dry assembled them and decided the backplate would look better in black. Now all that's left is to mount the LED strips, and with the magic of editing, it's really as simple as that.
Well, that didn't work. Guess I've got to do it myself.
I got some addressable LED strips off AliExpress, mostly because they have more LEDs per meter and light more evenly. As a plus, they can do some basic animations, which is nice. The wiring wasn't hard. Soldered some wires, drilled some holes. It was mostly just time consuming to glue all the stripes in. I just tuned into Elisa's Twitch stream and carried on.
Okay, the lamp is done. Let's see how she likes it, shall we?
Ich pack's jetzt aus. Das bin ich. Das Ducktape einfach.
Ich hab mir richtig Mühe gegeben.
Ich hab Angst, David. Was ist das? Oh mein Gott, nein. Hä? Hä, du redest Scheiße. Oh mein Gott, kann ich es kaputt machen? Also, theoretisch nicht.
Theoretisch kannst du es kaputt machen.
Oh mein Gott, wie krass bist du denn, Alter? Oh mein Gott, Leute, das ist so cool. Ich sterbe. Hä? Hä? Ich sterbe einfach. Wohin?
An die Wand.
Schnell mach die scheiß Platte weg. Sieht aus wie der Shisha-Bar. Was willst du? Hä? Oh mein Gott. David, das ist so cool. Ich sterbe. Ich sterbe. Wie geil ist das denn? Oh mein Gott, und ich war so neidisch auf Stella. Oh mein Gott, ich will's nur. Ja. Mhm. Ja! Ja, einfach! Oh mein Gott, ich will's an die Wand haben, aber ich wüsste auch nicht wo.
Also, ich würde mal sagen, es gefällt dir, oder?
Ja, ist okay. Ist kein Pony, aber. Oh mein Gott, das ist so geil. Ich weiß nur noch nicht, wohin damit. Danke schön.